Hey there, come closer. I know you've watched so many YouTube videos online on how to make money online, but have you wondered why you keep watching and up until now you have not made money online? Now listen, I was just thinking about my friends who we started the making money online journey together, and a lot of them who haven't made anything online and why they haven't made money online. And I figured, you know what, I might just turn on my camera and discuss with you why you haven't made money online and why these people haven't made money online. Hold up. At the end of this video, I am going to tell you how I make money online, or how I constantly and continuously generate revenue online, even today, how I make money online, and how I've shown people. I have people in my community of over 400 right now that are currently on their journey to make money online, because I show them how to make money online, not some crappy YouTube videos. Now, you want to know that? Let's go right in. Now, the first way you cannot make money online is through paid survey. You hear that a lot. If you go online right now on YouTube and just search how to make money from YouTube survey, I promise you're going to see tons and tons of video on how you can, do some survey and make money online. But the truth is that, does it really work? Absolutely not. And the reason why it does not work is because you can do the survey, but eventually they will tell you that you need to hit some threshold before you can actually make money or withdraw your money. Come on, that's fraudulent. They know very well that you cannot hit that threshold, because what they give you is simply peanuts. $2, $0.5, $7. Come on. How about I show you how you can truly make money online? $200, $400, $500 online, right? Paid survey doesn't work. Matter of fact is that a friend of mine actually did that for weeks and didn't make money, and he was complaining and telling me, and I said, you know what, show me the video you watched. And I saw the video. Guess what? This same person, this same YouTuber has created a video before where he just told people how to make money from survey, and at the end of the video he said, oh, actually this does not work. I was just trying to tell you what does not work. Ooh, isn't that fraudulent? So you just got us to watch your 12-minute video, and at the end of the day you tell us that it does not work. Come on, that's not fair. Be very sincere with people, and I promise you that's what this YouTube channel is about. Now, the second way you cannot make money online is by watching videos. Now, you see a lot of YouTube videos telling you, you know what, watch this video and get paid. Come on, be very practical. Use your common sense. Who is going to pay you for watching videos? Now, the truth is that, of course, they are going to pay you, or you start watching this video and they're going to tell you, oh, you know what, 5 cents here, first 25 cents here, and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, ask yourself, how much have you been able to withdraw? The question is, where are you even going to withdraw it to? There is no proven bank account where they withdraw this money to. There is nobody who will tell you, I withdrew. Nobody. Now the question is, for these YouTubers, they only tell you what you can do. They never even show you how they actually withdrew the money to their bank account, which means that there is actually no way you can withdraw the money to your bank account. So clearly you cannot watch video online and make money. Another thing you cannot do is just sit somewhere and listen to music online and just make money from it. It cannot work. All right. So paid surveys, watching videos, all of this stuff, come on, scrap it. You want to make money online, there are better ways to make money online. A lot of money as at that. Now, another way you cannot make money online is by being impatient. Now, that's one of the reasons why a lot of people just watch paid survey. You click this button, you click that button, and the money starts coming. Ask yourself, you are impatient. You don't want to follow the process. Now, a lot of people think making money online is such a Ponzi scheme. You just put a little effort here, a little effort there, and then just money start coming. If it were that easy, everybody would quit 9 to 5 and start making money online. But my friend, it's not that easy. There are steps you need to take. There is a skill you need to take, or there are skills you need to learn, and that is what this channel is simply all about. Now, listen, I'm not creating this video to criticize other YouTube channels. I'm creating this video to tell you the truth. And that's the truth. You would agree with me that that's the truth. Something in your heart tells you that this guy is telling the truth. And that's because you've not made money online. Not impatient, right? Another way you cannot make money online is by being lazy. A lot of people just want to make money online because for some reason they feel like you can just sit in your house and boom, the money just starts coming. Very easy peasy way. Now, I work online. I make money online, a lot of money online, matter of fact. But you need to know that I sleep less than 4 hours a day. I promise you that. That's because there's so much to do. There's so much to cover. There's so much ground to cover. You cannot afford to be lazy. I promise you, making money online is much more demanding than a 9 to 5. It's a lot more demanding than a 9 to 5. And that's the absolute truth. If you want the truth, then stick to this channel. If you do not want the truth, if you're subscribed already, maybe you should unsubscribe. Of course, I don't want you to. But I'm telling you the truth. And if you're just stumbling on this video and you've been wondering, why haven't I been making money online? Then you've just landed on the right place. I'm going to tell you the truth, and I'm going to show you how you can actually make money online. Another way you cannot make money online is by having zero skill. Zero skill. Now listen, even in the everyday world, you don't just go out there and then people start paying you. You do something, and then for you to do something, you need to know how to do this something, right? You need to know how to do whatever it is that you are paid to do. But a lot of people come in the online space, instead of your first focus being learning a skill, you're more focused on making money. And that's why we jump on surveys, we jump on watch videos online, we jump on listen to music and get paid. All of that stuff is bullshit. I promise you that. All right, you need a skill. You need a skill. On this channel, I teach people various skills they can take to make money online. Matter of fact is I have a close-knit community. Now, hold on. I told you things you can do to make money online, and I said I was going to tell you that at the end of this video. You know what? I might as well just tell you right now. You can drop a link, drop a comment in the comment section saying, I want to be a part of your class, and I'm going to send you an invite. Just get in the class and you will see for yourself how people are actually on the journey of making money, how people are already making money. Matter of fact, just yesterday, I dropped a notification on my group, and guess what? Some people made about $20 or $50 from the notification I sent to them. They sent me a DM. Practical ways you can make money online, not just some crappy, or you can do this and do that and make money online. All right, guys, you've seen all of these things about how to make money online, and you're still not making money online. And people are in my community right now gearing up to start making a minimum of $200-300 every single month. What are you waiting for? Just join my community. Go to the comment section saying, Phil, I want to be a part of your class, and I'm going to send you an invite right now. Right now, I'm not going to waste time. Send you an invite because we are already started. Class is already going on. And if you happen to watch this video at a later time, still send the message. I am going to reply you because we have the classes recorded. You can always go to them. I'm just going to send you the invite. Without further ado, send me that message and I'm going to see you in the class.